Hi, I'm Teresa, and I just had the cross treatment and for my acne scars, and I did not experience no pain. I did experience a little burning and just maybe a little bit uncomfortable, but that's all I experienced. And hopefully this treatment will work for my acne scars.
As you heard from Teresa, we are now a few minutes out from having performed the cross treatment for acne scarring. It's 100% acid treatments to these areas, so it's a very intense treatment with some recovery time. But I just want to show you that it is safe in Hispanic skin and what we're doing for this. Go and turn to your left. There we go, very good. This area didn't have much acne scarring, and actually there were smaller little areas, and I treated this one first, so you can actually see that the little white areas are almost entirely gone. And we just finished the the left side of the face. Go and turn to your right, and you can see these areas are a little bit more intensely treated. There's a redness there that is more intense on this side. That will fade in the next few hours, and there's one spot on the forehead, and these little white areas will begin to fade and turn a little bit darker red in the next few days, which we're going to follow.
I am 3 days from my cross treatment, and I'm doing fine.
We're about 3 days out from the cross treatment, as you heard from Teresa, and we're just showing you what it looks like today. Teresa, turn over to your left side. As you can see, these are the areas that had very minimal acne scarring, and there's just little tiny darker color areas. That's going to heal very fast. She's pretty much actually almost healed now 3 days out. And just turn your head gently to the other side. There we go. And keep turning that way. All the way, more and more and more. As you can see here, it's just a little shiny because she's been keeping the Vaseline to cover these areas, and almost every single area is pretty much healed now 3 days out. I'm telling her today she can go ahead and switch over to the Cetaphil lotion. There's a couple small areas I want her to keep Vaseline for a couple more days, and probably within 2 days you can go ahead and just start wearing makeup.
I'm 7 days out from the TCA cross treatment, and I'm doing fine.
As you heard from Teresa, we are now exactly 1 week out from having done a cross treatment for her with 100% TCA. Teresa, turn to your left, and you can see this side is 100% healed. There really is no more little flecks left. Turn to your right side. As you can see here, we are almost there. There's just a couple areas that are still a little bit red, but it looks pretty good, and she's already converted over to Cetaphil, and just, I would say, maybe 1 or 2 more days of Vaseline just with a Q-tip in those a couple small areas, and she should be very good to go. And as I explained to her with this treatment, it takes about 2 to 4 months to really start seeing some of the changes, and it goes up to a year for ongoing improvement. And I've seen my patients now up to 3 to 4 years out, and they're really